Here. Stay there. Yeah. Here, take it. Oh. Here. Oh. Gosh. Wow. And here comes this big one. Sorry, I'm freaking out a little. Wow. This one is like a little puppy dog. Here. Oh, geez. I got you, buddy. Oh. Here, I'll toss him this other one here. This one is huge. Right here, they live in these rocks by Lake Michigan. I'm gonna give him this last piece of Oreo, because this might be one of the bigger raccoons I think I've seen. Here you go, buddy. Here. This one's... Oh, this one, look at this one. This one will come right up, though. Oh!